Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 9th of April. Let's see what is in your messages today, Cancer. Let's see what's up for you today. Let's go, Cancer. We have the Judgment coming out first. Okay, Cancer. So I'm getting your past is being brought up. Something about your ex or something about your kid. Now, this can also be maybe your ex has your kids. Getting they're talking mad shit online about your parenting skills. We have the Star card. Yeah. So it could be something about you abandon your kid because you wanted to chase your dreams. Something about you had a kid and there was something about naked pictures being either resurfacing or you posting naked pictures while you had a child. Okay, I'm getting somebody's talking about your parenting skills, how you are as a parent, maybe how you dress, maybe you're very provocative. Okay, so is everybody's parent. The Star card, I just don't understand why you like for watch what the Jones are saying. I don't understand, you know. That's a lot of reason why I had to detach from a lot of people, even family. Because I found out that they gave a fuck what people say. If the government says something about me, but my family gonna believe. If my government says something about me, my family gonna take them side. If a stranger says something about me to my family, chances are my family gonna believe and then I'm gonna take the stranger side. So I had to fuck off with everybody. I had to get everybody out of my circle, like how Dave Chappelle had to run away to Blood Clot Africa. I couldn't trust nobody. Everybody was a rat. So I'm getting your past, I come back up, Cancer. Not sure if you used to sell your body, if you used in a prostitution, maybe stripping or something like that. It could be naked pictures. Something is resurfacing about you. Yeah, you have to defend yourself. The 7 of Wands. Now, this could be you're supposed to get custody of a kid. I'm not sure if somebody's trying to use you having naked pictures that you're not fit to have a child. Half of Hollywood has naked videos and sex pictures everywhere on the dark web, so I'm not sure why you have to be punished for it. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting something about you fighting for your child. So the father might use these pictures against you and say, oh, you used to this, you used to that. Your Honor, here is a picture of her left tit, and the judge is like, you cannot get custody of this kid. We have the 3 of Cups, and we also have the Emperor. I'm guessing you used to work for you had a pimp? Or, I'm sorry, did you have security? That's what they like to call it. I'm not your pimp, I'm your security. Who you secure me from? Men who want to do content with me? Men who want to take pictures with me? Who you trying to secure me from? I don't understand why. So that's what they will use. They will use say, oh, you need security. No, you don't. You need cyber security online. That is where taking off your clothes online, the real threat is who can access you and hack you. That's the threat. The threat is not needing a pimp right by your side so when you go out in public, other men don't look on you. Sweetie, half of the men want to do the content with you for free anyways, right? Because me getting the man, him have a bag of girls working for him. But are you him exposed? So maybe me getting you used to work for this man. You used to be with this man. You used to date this man. I don't know if you left him. It could be an ex, somebody who you were with. Me getting them decide to leak your shit. And them leaking it so other women can tease you about it. It's okay, me not fuck woman. Other men can tell a man them to talk to them about it. Somebody's going to leak your photos so the girl them can't trouble you. Oh my God, did you see her body? Oh my God, oh my God, she has naked photos. You don't fuck woman, Cancer, hopefully. Tell them, say, when he was showing you up, saying, you see that do it for one man, it wasn't a woman. Say, any girl want to see it, and any girl who want click it for look on how your tits are. Say, look, tell them, fuck off. You know, fuck woman. You didn't do it for them. So you used to work for this place, this taboo place. Me getting the boss and the girl them leak your shit. It's a pack of jealous bitches who's working for the Emperor, even though the Emperor has his eyes on you. The Judgment is clarified by the Judgment. Tell him say only God alone can judge you. Tell him that. Come and getting fair. It's like somebody are trying to use something from last year into this year for spite you. Something about the emperor. The emperor may say, hey, I want to date other people because there's too much naked pictures out of you. Okay, I understand you're saying that, emperor. But if me and you was together, and you did ask to see a picture I'm going to send you, don't you would have been okay with it? Okay. So why y'all make it look like is these, the problem is these women clits, it needs to be controlled. We all know what these women are capable of on an iPhone. Yeah, make it so. You don't want to deal with her because she have naked pictures out there. Okay. Let's say she wasn't a sex worker. If she was with you, emperor, and she sent you a picture of her fat, wouldn't you be appreciative of it? Right. No, that's usually how every man get a picture of a girl. She send them her axe feet. Now, you might say, well, you should have never sent a man a photo. This is true, but emperor, put yourself in the shoes. Suppose she send a photo to you. You still have the same power for outer. I don't know. I'm getting, the judgment twice. Something is, this could be something about you, something about a Cancer and another woman. I feel like there's naked videos and photos of you, and apparently it's starting a wave online, and this girl was so jealous. She decided to leak her own naked photos to compete with you. This is weird. What is the star card? The star card is clarified by the Hermit. So we have the clothed man, the Virgo. Also, if somebody's wondering how you get to take off your clothes and go through, and somebody else, as soon as them take off something, they're called a prostitute or a whore. I'm getting somebody's in the industry. Somebody's being protected by a Virgo. Maybe a Virgo initiating somebody. Because I'm getting a saying, for the humiliation this person received, why them is still a celebrity? Why hasn't things got worse for them? I'm getting someone's protected by a secret society or organization. That's why it could work for them. But as soon as it happened for you, I'm getting all hell a break loose. Yeah, lose contracts. People not talk to you. The Seven of Wands is clarified by the Page of Pentacles. The Three of Cups is clarified by the King of Wands. Okay, so I'm getting is a Leo man. Then who's the Emperor? The Emperor is... Oh, the emperor is a Jewish man. Is he a rabbi? So this emperor like you. The Leo is telling the emperor, say, you used to work for him. But all of these girls' clothes on and yours is off. It's like the man a mask you with 4 other women. And the 4 women supposed to go in and say, yeah, we work together. Yeah, it's our friend. Yeah, we work together. None of them never take off them clothes. But them I work for this Leo man. Me getting the only person clothes that was off was hers. The star card. But me getting she's protected. Me getting you try to bring up something from last year, or it could be 4 years ago. Yeah, try to bring it up for haunt somebody. Me getting someone's protected by a secret society anyways. It not gonna hurt them as much as you think. The judgment twice. Maybe somebody saw something coming, but me getting it swayed. This religious, I'm going to say it's Jewish man, for not be with you. Maybe the girl, the Leo met the girl, the Leo with the help of these women are the ones to bring it to this man's attention about you. I don't know what to tell you, to be very honest. I know men who are married to women who has never posted their bodies in a swimsuit online, and they're still unhappy and fucking on these women. So I can't tell you what to choose, but I can say that if you feel like a woman is too controversial for your brand, I would say to choose another woman. But that's not going to guarantee that the woman who you choose going to make you happier. It's not going to guarantee that the woman who you choose you're going to be interested in. It's not going to guarantee you not going to ever want to have sex on this woman. It will just guarantee that at least she's not one of the many who has pictures of her body exposed. That don't mean a happy marriage. That don't mean a happy relationship. But you do what you want to do. Yeah, the moon card. You do what you want to do. In life, there's always a gamble in life. Always. Uranus. that rules rebellion. Yeah, someone's a rebel, them rebel. Maybe you wanted to recruit this woman as a part of your, you know, the Ugly Bitches Committee, sponsored by Duracell Batteries and KY Jelly. Maybe you wanted her to be one of these women. Me get think she decided to take off her clothes instead, so you would have reject her. She don't want to be a part of your group. Yeah, it's a Taurus. Think it's a Taurus. We have evil. We have curse. Yeah, something was targeted you. You're the one, because the girls here, them clothes on. Your clothes off. Why? It's like every time your clothes off, maybe you used to dorm with women. I remember I was in shelters, and when I get ready, I said most of the girls out with them phone. And I said to myself, I wonder if the girl them record me getting ready. And then I said to myself, I don't even give a fuck. They're probably secretly recording me in them bed while I put on my clothes and my breasts and everything out me in my towel. Cause I'm getting something, the girls them expose you, like the girls them take videos of you. I don't know what happened, but me getting them a try for curse you. Apparently the curse was lifted off of you because your juices were too extravagant. It couldn't stop you. The last thing them could have used to humiliate you, since you look like you're okay with not being with a man who cheating on you, them are gonna expose your pussy. Expose my pussy, that's okay. The next man will see it and say, you know what, that look like the right size for my tongue. Do I look like I give a fuck? No. We have 9, and we also have Leo. Yeah, something about a Leo, a law enforcement officer. Yeah, I work for a Leo man. This Leo man say, you and all these chickens are working for him. No, the fuck you're not. When my walker say, my blood clot pimp. Pimp and your whole mouth rotten. Who are you pimping? Sorry, so you need to pimp those cavities. Those cavities need to be pimped. As a matter of fact, my job was done. I already catch the blood clot predator. This is Chris Hansen, how to catch the biggest blood clot predator. I catch the biggest blood clot predator while they prey upon me, I just catch him. Catch him like an 11-year-old little girl. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.